Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Lightroom mobile tutorial and Lightroom preset giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Today, I will show you how to edit cinematic street filter using Lightroom mobile. Here's the before and after photos. This preset is perfect for outdoor shots, especially street photography. There's also free DNG and XMP file on the video description for you to download. So let's start. Here's the cinematic street DNG file. Let's start in the Lights tab. Adjust the contrast to -14. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +57. Whites to -100. And adjust the blacks to -4. I just go back to the DNG file and copy the tone curve for the precise adjustments. Here's the adjustments on the tone curve. Let's proceed to the Colors tab. Adjust the temperature to +3. Tint to -7. Adjust the vibrance to +27. And saturation to -32. Next is in the color mix. In red, adjust the hue to +6, saturation to -44, and luminance to -18. In orange, adjust the hue to +13. Saturation to +19, and luminance to +5. In yellow, adjust the hue to -20. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -3. In green, adjust the hue to -100. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -5. In aqua, adjust the hue to -45. Saturation to -100. And luminance to +11. In blue, adjust the hue to -2. Adjust the saturation to -100. And luminance to +41. In magenta, adjust the hue to +5. Saturation to -100. And adjust the luminance to -4. In purple, adjust the saturation to -100. And luminance to -7. In Effects tab, adjust the clarity to -13. In Details tab, adjust the noise reduction to 18. And color noise reduction to 25. Here's the Cinematic Street Preset DNG file. Let's copy and paste the settings to the photos that we want to edit. It is important to understand that there are no ideal settings for all photos. After all, we take photographs under different lighting conditions, with different equipment, so sometimes adjustment will be necessary.